Good morning, uh, my co-gardeners. Guess where I am at? I'm in my chicken coop. This is a DIY chicken coop. My co-gardeners. We did it ourselves because we don't want to spend a lot of money for just a little thing. And now this morning I saw another little bitty egg again. It's over there. Oh my world. Yep. This is our DIY um chicken coop. We are not arrogant. As long as I'm happy what I am doing, then that's fine for me. Yep. And there's another small little egg. And this is where my chicken lay eggs. Yeah. Oh, okay. See, this is just my small chicken coop. I love it. Um, I'm just finished removing uh, the spider webs because there's a lot of spider webs around it. So I removed them. And this is one of the basket where they are laying eggs. That is what we do. My mom did. So I have one too. Actually, I have here. It's a basket. It's I guess this basket I bought it in where I bought it. I think it's in Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that is where my chicken lay eggs. And there's my baby chicken. It's growing up. And their mama, they make their uh, ball dirty. I need to clean that one too. Protecting her baby from the predator, and that's me. I am the predator this morning for this kind of baby. It's my other bird. It's a quail. Oh, where it go? Some of them is gone. Uh, so she cannot lay egg anymore because he's alone. Yeah, my mother chickens are there here all over the backyard. They love to dig in the dirt and find something to eat. They are free range. So yeah, these are my chicken. I'm enjoying them. Yeah, kick kick cook 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 cook. All right, gardeners, co-gardeners. See you next time. Have a nice weekend.